Top 7 Easy Diet Swaps for Kidney Protection. 1. Salt, herbs, and spices. Too much sodium is one of the biggest dietary culprits that can harm kidney function over time. High salt intake increases blood pressure, puts extra strain on your kidneys, and can accelerate kidney aging. Even if you feel fine now, daily overconsumption of sodium silently stresses your kidneys. A simple and effective swap is replacing salt with herbs and spices. Fresh or dried herbs like parsley, basil, cilantro, oregano, rosemary, and thyme add flavor without the harmful effects of sodium. Spices like turmeric, paprika, black pepper, and cinnamon not only enhance taste, but also provide anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, supporting kidney and overall health. Cooking at home is a great way to control salt intake. Start by gradually reducing salt in your favorite recipes and increasing flavorful herbs and spices. Citrus juice, garlic, or ginger can also boost taste naturally. Over time, your taste buds will adjust, and you may find high-salt foods too strong. For people with existing kidney concerns, avoiding processed foods is crucial because they are often loaded with hidden sodium. Canned soups, frozen meals, fast foods, and packaged snacks are major sources of excess salt. By swapping these for fresh, whole ingredients seasoned with herbs and spices, you lighten the kidney's workload, reduce fluid retention, and help maintain healthy blood pressure. Tip: keep a small herb garden or use dried spice blends for convenience. This small lifestyle change can make a huge difference in kidney protection, heart health, and long-term wellness, all while keeping your meals flavorful and satisfying. 2. Red meat, plant protein. Consuming too much red meat can put extra stress on your kidneys. Red meat is high in protein and phosphorus, which increases kidney workload and can accelerate kidney aging over time. For people with kidney concerns or those aiming to protect their kidneys, plant-based proteins are a safer and healthier alternative. Beans, lentils, tofu, chickpeas, and peas are excellent sources of plant protein. Unlike animal protein, plant-based protein produces fewer waste byproducts, which means the kidneys don't have to work as hard to filter them. Incorporating these foods into your meals supports kidney function while still meeting your protein needs. Switching to plant protein doesn't mean giving up flavor or variety. For breakfast, try scrambled tofu instead of eggs, or a smoothie with protein powder made from peas or hemp. For lunch and dinner, replace red meat with lentil soups, bean salads, or tofu stir-fries. Even partially replacing red meat with plant protein can significantly reduce kidney stress. Plant proteins also come with added benefits like fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins, which support digestion, reduce inflammation, and improve overall heart and kidney health. Fiber helps eliminate toxins through the digestive tract, further reducing the kidney's workload. Tip: start gradually by swapping 1 or 2 meals per week with plant-based alternatives. Use herbs, spices, and healthy fats like olive oil to keep meals flavorful. Over time, your body and your kidneys will benefit from reduced strain, better circulation, and improved filtration, helping you maintain kidney health naturally. 3. High potassium fruits, low potassium fruits. Potassium is an essential mineral, but for kidney health, too much can be risky. When kidneys are overworked or aging, they may struggle to remove excess potassium from the blood. High potassium fruits like bananas, oranges, and melons can sometimes add stress. A simple diet swap is replacing these with low potassium fruits to support kidney function naturally. Low potassium fruits include berries, apples, grapes, peaches, and pears. These fruits provide vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber while being gentle on the kidneys. Fiber helps remove toxins through digestion rather than relying solely on the kidneys, reducing kidney workload. Antioxidants protect kidney cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major contributors to kidney aging. This swap also supports blood sugar management. Many low-potassium fruits have a low glycemic index, making them ideal for seniors or people managing diabetes, a condition closely linked to kidney health. Berries, in particular, are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which improve circulation and reduce inflammation in kidney tissues. For practical use, replace high-potassium fruits in your daily meals. For breakfast, swap banana slices with berries on oatmeal. Snack on apples or grapes instead of orange segments. You can even blend low-potassium fruits into smoothies for kidney-friendly hydration and nutrition. Tip: moderation is key. Even low-potassium fruits should be consumed in reasonable portions. By choosing these kidney-friendly alternatives, you reduce strain, protect filtration, and support long-term kidney function while still enjoying delicious, nutritious fruits every day. 4. Sugary drinks, water/herbal tea. Sugary drinks like sodas, fruit juices, and energy drinks are not only high in sugar, but can also stress the kidneys over time. Excess sugar increases blood glucose, which can damage blood vessels in the kidneys and contribute to kidney disease. It also promotes inflammation and weight gain, further impacting kidney health. A simple and effective swap is replacing sugary beverages with water or herbal teas. Water is the best hydrator and helps the kidneys flush out toxins efficiently. Staying hydrated reduces the risk of kidney stones, improves filtration, and prevents fluid retention. Herbal teas like chamomile, peppermint, or rooibos provide hydration with added antioxidants and flavor, making them a tasty alternative without adding sugar or kidney stress. Switching gradually is key. Start by replacing one sugary drink per day with water or unsweetened tea. Over time, your taste buds adjust and cravings for sweet beverages decrease. To make water more appealing, add a slice of lemon, cucumber, or a few berries for natural flavor. Herbal teas can also support digestion and reduce inflammation, indirectly easing the workload on the kidneys. Avoid teas high in caffeine or added sugars, as they can have the opposite effect. Tip: aim to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water or kidney-friendly herbal tea daily, spacing it throughout the day. By swapping sugary drinks for these healthier options, you protect kidney function, improve hydration, and support long-term kidney health without sacrificing flavor or enjoyment. 5. Butter, olive oil. Butter and margarine are high in saturated fats, which can negatively impact heart and kidney health over time. Saturated fats contribute to inflammation, elevated cholesterol, and reduced blood flow, all factors that increase stress on the kidneys. A simple and effective diet swap is replacing butter with olive oil, a healthy fat that supports both kidney and heart function. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. These compounds protect delicate kidney cells, improve circulation, and support overall cardiovascular health, essential for maintaining proper kidney filtration. Unlike butter, olive oil is plant-based, making it easier for the body to process without overloading the kidneys. Cooking with olive oil is versatile. Use it for sautéing vegetables, drizzling over salads, or even in baked goods as a butter substitute. Extra virgin olive oil offers the highest antioxidant content, making it the best choice for kidney-friendly meals. Beyond protecting the kidneys, olive oil also supports weight management, blood sugar regulation, and anti-inflammatory processes. Incorporating it daily as a replacement for butter or margarine is a simple step that can have long-term benefits for kidney health and overall wellness. Tip: start gradually by replacing 1 or 2 servings of butter per day with olive oil. Over time, you'll notice improved heart and kidney health markers, better digestion, and a more balanced diet. This small swap is easy, delicious, and highly effective in protecting your kidneys naturally. 6. Refined carbs, whole grains. Refined carbohydrates like white bread, white rice, pastries, and pasta can negatively affect kidney health over time. They spike blood sugar levels, increase inflammation, and can contribute to weight gain, all of which place extra stress on your kidneys. Over time, frequent spikes in blood sugar can damage the tiny blood vessels in the kidneys, reducing filtration efficiency. A simple and effective swap is replacing refined carbs with whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, barley, and whole wheat bread. Whole grains are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, which help stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and support healthy digestion. Fiber also binds toxins in the gut, reducing the workload on the kidneys and promoting natural detoxification. For breakfast, swap sugary cereals or white toast for oatmeal topped with berries or a slice of whole grain bread. For lunch and dinner, replace white rice or pasta with quinoa, brown rice, or barley. These swaps help maintain energy levels, improve digestion, and support cardiovascular and kidney health. Whole grains also provide magnesium, B vitamins, and trace minerals, which support kidney function and overall metabolism. Unlike refined carbs, they release energy slowly, preventing blood sugar spikes and reducing oxidative stress on kidney cells. Tip: gradually switch to whole grains to allow your body and digestive system to adjust. Even replacing 1 or 2 refined carbs per day can make a significant difference in protecting your kidneys, improving filtration, and maintaining long-term health. This simple, delicious swap is easy to implement and highly effective for kidney-friendly meals. 7. Processed snacks, nuts, and seeds. Processed snacks like chips, crackers, cookies, and packaged treats are often high in sodium, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. These ingredients can increase blood pressure, promote inflammation, and overload the kidneys with extra toxins over time. A simple kidney-friendly swap is replacing these snacks with nuts and seeds, which provide healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients. Nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, along with seeds like chia, flax, and pumpkin seeds, are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, antioxidants, and fiber. These nutrients help reduce inflammation, protect kidney cells, and support healthy circulation. Fiber also aids digestion, allowing the body to remove toxins through the gut rather than relying solely on the kidneys. This swap also helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Unlike sugary, processed snacks, nuts and seeds release energy slowly, preventing spikes that can stress the kidneys. They also provide essential minerals like magnesium and selenium, which support kidney filtration and overall metabolic health. For easy incorporation, snack on a small handful of raw or lightly roasted nuts between meals, sprinkle seeds on yogurt or oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies. Portion control is important since nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, but even a small amount daily offers significant kidney and heart benefits. Tip: avoid salted or heavily roasted versions. Opt for raw, unsalted, or lightly roasted nuts and seeds. By swapping processed snacks for these nutrient-rich alternatives, you support kidney protection, reduce inflammation, and maintain healthy energy levels, all while enjoying satisfying, delicious snacks.